Now, I'm walking towards the camera and you're expecting something really profound to come from my lips, but I'm not. I'm just testing out my lavalier mic to see how it works. Okay, bye. So today my beautiful wife and I have come to Stevington Windmill. Sunset is in about an hour's time, probably an hour and 10 minutes. So I've got a bit of time to look around for the composition, see what we want to do. Okay, we'll have a look around. I want to try and get, if I can, the sun coming through the blades up there. Have a nice narrow aperture, f20, f22 maybe even, and try and get the starburst. Okay, see you in a bit. This windmill through the blades, because this blade here is hidden behind the building and these blades are going to be too high to get through, so the lowest blade is going to be hidden by the building when I go around. I'm going to take a shot from over there and hopefully it's going to work. There's no clouds in the sky. There's none on the horizon. Maybe a few on the horizon might be okay. But yeah, let's hope for the best. So we've got about another 45 minutes to go before sunset. So I'm going to try and get set up somewhere. Try and take some shots of it before the sun actually goes down. Get a bit of this golden light on there. Okay, in a bit. Hello again. Two things have happened since I last saw you. One, a few clouds have appeared in the sky. Secondly, I've lost my glasses. If anyone ever comes down to Stevington Windmill and they find a pair of Ray-Ban glasses, they're only reading glasses, they're mine, all right? They're in this field somewhere, around the windmill somewhere. Got it. I've got the wife looking for them. I'm taking photos, ain't I? In a bit. So I've got the composition. Shooting at ISO 100, f22. Don't really say that very often. I'm shooting at f22 because I want to try and get a starburst. Might fail, I've never tried it before. But I want to try and get the starburst in the sun. So I'm shooting at f22 and then 1/18 of a second. 1/18 of a second. And my beautiful wife is sitting on the steps, which makes a nice addition to the shot. So I'm just going to take a quick shot now. Two-second time's done. Maybe haven't got a sunburst there, but it's a beautiful silhouette with the windmill and the wife. The windmill is the star of the show. It's probably a little bit blown out, so I'm going to try and bracket now. Bracket some shots, get the best out of it. So bracketing 2 shots either side. Stabilisation's off. And manual focus. And then lock the focus off. 5 shots. And I'll show you what that looks like right now. adjust the composure just to keep the sun on the edge of the windmill. I've got a 2-stop ND filter on now. It's full ND, I've got no grads that'll fit this anyway. But yeah, I'm still bracketing. Every now and then I keep on asking my wife, who's sitting on the steps, to sit really still. Hopefully she's doing that, it'll come through okay on the photo. But it's looking good. The sun's going down well. Those clouds that have made an appearance, they're not really doing much. They're not adding much to the photo. And all I want is a silhouette of the windmill with a good sunset behind it. That's all I'm asking for out of today. See how we get on. I'm getting told off by a farmer now because I'm trampling his wheat. I'm in the track. He tramples the wheat, not me. I'm in the track. So yeah, I don't know where I was. My battery went mid-rant then, and I have no idea where I was. So yeah, I got my shot, got the starburst, and now I was watching Scott Kelby yesterday, and he said when you bracket your exposures, you only need to use the lightest one and the darkest one. I didn't know that. Never heard that before in my life. So that's what I'm going to do. The lightest one on the back of here has got a beautiful, beautiful starburst, the most overexposed one. It's got a beautiful starburst, but the darkest one, beautiful colours in it, but it's got no starburst. So I'm hoping that when I get home, put those two in Photoshop, Lightroom, blend them together, it'll look nice. We'll see when I get back. If it's good, I'll put it on up here now. If not, you won't see it. There's loads of bees in this field, crapping myself. So yeah, I'm going to carry on taking photos. Hopefully I'll get a good one in a bit. That's it. I'm walking back down through the track. Hopefully the farmer's not going to tell me off. But I am walking in the track. I'm not walking over this freaking wheat. What is he like? Anyway, I'm done for the night. That's our sunset there, look.